In a move that sent ripples through the tech world, Apple has upped the ante in the messaging arena. The tech giant has made significant strides in enhancing its iMessage service with Rich Communication Services, or RCS, directly challenging the reign of Meta's WhatsApp. Could this be the beginning of the end for WhatsApp's dominance? The rivalry between Apple and Meta is well documented, with both companies vying for user attention and loyalty. With RCS, Apple aims to provide a superior messaging experience that could sway users away from WhatsApp. This strategic move is about more than just messaging features. It's about control over a critical communication channel and the potential to shape how users interact, share, and consume information. The outcome of this rivalry remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: the battle for the future of messaging has begun. If you want to stay updated on this tech rivalry and more, make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest insights and updates. To grasp the significance of Apple's move, it's essential to understand the two key players, RCS and WhatsApp. RCS, or Rich Communication Services, is the evolution of traditional SMS texting. It's designed to provide a richer messaging experience with features like read receipts, typing indicators, and higher quality media sharing. WhatsApp, on the other hand, needs little introduction. Its popularity stems from its simplicity, reliability, and end-to-end encryption, making it a trusted platform for personal and group communication. RCS operates through cellular carriers, similar to SMS, while WhatsApp functions independently using an internet connection. Apple's decision to champion RCS suggests a strategic move to leverage its existing infrastructure and potentially reshape the way we communicate. When it comes to features, both RCS and WhatsApp bring a lot to the table. RCS boasts read receipts, typing indicators, and file sharing capabilities, enhancing the basic texting experience. WhatsApp, however, takes it a step further with a more comprehensive suite of features. Group calls, voice messages, and end-to-end encryption are just a few of the features that have made WhatsApp a global phenomenon. One area where RCS falls short is its lack of end-to-end encryption. While Google has been working on bringing end-to-end encryption to RCS, it's not yet universally available. For users who prioritize security and a wider range of features, WhatsApp remains a compelling option. However, Apple's integration of RCS into iMessage could entice users seeking a more streamlined and integrated messaging experience within the Apple ecosystem. Beyond the technical specifications, the user experience plays a crucial role in the success of any messaging app. RCS, with its integration into the native messaging app on Android phones, offers a seamless experience for users. WhatsApp, on the other hand, requires users to download and install a separate app. However, WhatsApp compensates for this with a familiar and intuitive interface that has become synonymous with instant messaging. One notable difference in user experience lies in group messaging. WhatsApp's group messaging capabilities, including group calls and admin controls, have made it a favorite for coordinating events, staying in touch with family and friends, and even conducting business. RCS offers simplicity and integration for basic messaging needs, while WhatsApp provides a more feature-rich and versatile platform for a wider range of communication needs. Apple, with its walled garden approach to its ecosystem, has a distinct advantage when it comes to user experience. By integrating RCS directly into iMessage, Apple offers a seamless and unified messaging experience for iPhone users. This tight integration allows for features like sending messages from multiple devices, syncing message history across devices, and even making calls directly from the messaging app. Apple's ecosystem allows for effortless integration with other services like FaceTime, Apple Pay, and AirDrop, creating a cohesive and user-friendly environment. For users already entrenched in the Apple world, the enhanced iMessage experience with RCS could be a compelling reason to stay within the ecosystem. The convenience of having all communication channels integrated within a single platform, coupled with Apple's renowned user experience, could be a powerful motivator for users to choose iMessage over third-party alternatives. However, this integration comes at a cost. Apple's closed ecosystem limits interoperability with other platforms, often requiring switching between multiple messaging apps. Security and privacy have become paramount concerns for messaging app users. WhatsApp has long been lauded for its end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only the sender and receiver can read the messages. This feature has made WhatsApp a popular choice for users concerned about privacy, particularly in regions with limited freedom of speech. RCS, on the other hand, has lagged behind in the security department. While Google has been working on implementing end-to-end encryption for RCS, it's not yet universally available. Apple, with its strong stance on user privacy, has implemented end-to-end encryption for iMessage, ensuring that conversations remain private. The battle for user trust in the messaging space will likely hinge on security and privacy features. While Apple's move to enhance iMessage with RCS might seem like a game changer, it's essential to consider the global messaging landscape. WhatsApp enjoys a dominant position in many parts of the world, particularly in emerging markets where it often serves as the primary means of communication. Its low data usage, reliability, and reach have made it an indispensable tool for staying connected. In these regions, feature parity with iMessage might not be enough to sway users away from WhatsApp. Factors like affordability, data consumption, and the prevalence of WhatsApp among friends and family create a strong network effect that will be difficult for Apple to break. WhatsApp has evolved into a platform for businesses to connect with customers, facilitating transactions, providing customer support, and even enabling payments in some regions. Apple's challenge lies in bridging this gap and offering a compelling alternative that resonates with users in these markets. One of the biggest hurdles Apple faces in its quest to challenge WhatsApp is the power of network effects. WhatsApp's massive user base creates a powerful incentive for users to stay within the platform. People are more likely to use a messaging app if their friends, family, and colleagues are also using it. This network effect is particularly strong for WhatsApp, given its global reach and penetration. Apple's advantage lies in its loyal user base and the tight integration of iMessage within its ecosystem. To attract WhatsApp users, Apple needs to provide compelling reasons for them to switch, such as exclusive features, enhanced security, or incentives for migrating to iMessage. Offering exclusive content, discounts, or integration with Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, or other Apple services could incentivize users to adopt iMessage as their primary messaging platform. The future of messaging is likely to be shaped by several factors, including technological advancements, evolving user preferences, and the competitive landscape. One possibility is the convergence of messaging platforms. As RCS gains wider adoption and incorporates features like end-to-end encryption, the lines between traditional messaging apps and RCS-based messaging could blur. This convergence could lead to a more interoperable messaging ecosystem where users can seamlessly communicate across platforms. Another possibility is the rise of specialized messaging apps. As the messaging landscape becomes more competitive, we might see apps catering to specific niches, such as secure messaging for businesses or feature-rich platforms for gaming communities. The future of messaging will likely involve a combination of these possibilities, with established players like WhatsApp and Apple adapting to changing user needs and technological advancements. Apple's move to bolster iMessage with RCS marks a significant development in the messaging arena. While it remains to be seen whether this will be enough to dethrone WhatsApp, it highlights the intensifying competition and the rapid pace of innovation in the messaging space. As users become more reliant on messaging apps for both personal and professional communication, the stakes will only get higher. One thing is certain, the way we communicate is constantly evolving. The battle for the future of communication has just begun. Stay tuned for more updates and insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.